Wow, baby, today there is a show at the beach. Amazing. Is she asleep yet? I have to go or I'll be late.
My dear son, your dad loves someone else.
Honey, long time no see. You look so pretty these days.
I love you. Son, drink milk and then go to sleep.
Hey honey, are you asleep?
This is good poison. You should pour it into water.
Yes, I will do it right away. Are you okay?
Hi baby, we have to go. You do what I say. Everything okay? She must die.
Oh my god, what are they doing? Are they hurting Mom?
Don't cry, come with me home.
Hurry up! Don't eat until you finish.
This will be my backup proof. I hope the cat sheriff gets a letter to save me soon.
Is this a letter from a cat boy? Drink up, baby. We've dealt with my wife.
This is the evidence my son recorded of the abusive adulterous
Yes, I do.
Hi baby, we have to go.
We have done evil things, baby.
I'm sorry, it's all because of me that you're like this, hoo-hoo.
It's you bad guys, who caused harm to my mother.
My child, where are you? Are you okay? Hurry up and clean the floor if you want to eat.
Mom, where are you? I miss you so much. Mom, are you okay? I will definitely find you.
My child, is it really you?
Mom, this is my office. I have tried very hard to see you, Mom.
Ha 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 ha!